let's do a little bit of mountain fun. Go up the twisties. So I'm going to go up a way that I haven't gone in a while. Just going out for a cruise, and it should be pretty awesome. There's the mountains there. I've always like wanted to get up to one of those towers up there, you know, and just see, for some reason, because I'm weird, just what it's like. It's not going to be exciting. It's just going to be the base of a tower on the ground. That's even if you can get to it. But it's just something that I wanted to do. Winding road for the next 4 kilometers. That is what we like to see. This area is a bit sketch though. Sometimes you get sections on this road that are a bit average, to be honest with you. Pedal, my friend, pedal. Be bloody chilly up here. Be a little bit of chilly willy. Chilly willy. Slow down through here. The coppers might be sitting around. The coppers may do me for speeding. Bumpy as oh shit, man. This section's fucking crap. There's a good section I know of, and I actually want to go there because it is awesome. Don't like the grip through here. The grip is just really fucking shit for me. The front end's not feeling fucking good. The back's twitching. Pull over and I'll let him know. Where he's going. Are you having the same problems I've got? Hey? Are you having the same problems I've got? What's that? Just lack of grip, and it's just fucking tyres are cold, and it's really fucking sketch, man. Hence why I'm taking it. I'm riding like a fucking girl. It's just every time I've gone to.
A few corners I came into, I felt a bit sketchy. So.
I've come into them, and I'm just like, yeah, this don't feel good. What?
It's too cold up here.
Yeah. Him and I are both having the exact same issues. He said the exact same thing as me. He goes, I've come into a few corners and they're just really sketch. Like, you feel the temperature drop. As soon as you feel the temperature drop, your tyres have dropped. Most of the time. If you're not keeping the heat into them, which I'm not even game enough to push it, because it's just really sketch. Like, the bike just feels sketch underneath me. I don't feel really at one with it. It's like it's doing its own thing, and I'm just like along for the ride sort of thing. Is that horse poo? I think that is horse shit. Fucking hell, it is. I was only joking, and all of a sudden I'm like, the hell, mate? See, I know this section up here, this section's a bit better. It's still bumpy as shit, but it's actually better. It's a bit too chilly up here, and hence why the bikes are not getting that grip. So I'm just trying to keep the head in the tyres, because I just don't want to tip it into a corner and just have it fucking wash, which is a good to fair chance it can. What the fuck's this guy doing? Man, my nuts are frozen. My balls are cold. It's quite busy up here actually. Like, we could have cut across, we could have gone out like Emerald Way, but just because of how cold it is up here and how fucking sketchy shit it is, bruh, we ain't fucking risking it, mate. Ain't risking it, bruh. Like, my nuts are fucking frozen, bro. Holy shit, mate. I actually did my R3 review video through here, and it's just, sometimes you get nice good feel on the tyres and they feel really good and you can push it. Yeah, it's just way too chilly up here, man. Like, my nose is running, dude. Well, my nose is actually running. Might have to be a city street sort of ride. I think that's what it's gonna be. City streets. Because it's just too fucking risky up here, man. Like, my visor's actually starting to fog up because the steam up here is that bloody cold. In the cars, even in the cars, like when I came up here, many times in my car, days like today, you have really minimum grip. Really minimum grip. It's just not fun. So we're going to go back down, I think. We'll cut down. And there's a good section I know of. If I can get the heat into the tyres, we're going to have a bit of street rustling. If there's no cars in my way, that is. Now, I know this section pretty well. So if I can't get the heat in the tyres through this section, it's too fucking cold to be up here. So let's just see. see. Can I get the heat? Ooh, maybe. Roadworks ahead. I've never actually stopped here. Ooh. Fucking cold! Oh shit. What the hell happened there? I just do not feel confident on the bike, man. Not today, not with the grip and everything that's lacking. Oh Jesus! Look at that car, man! Holy shit! That's where the ambulance came from.